Postback Settings. A server-to-server postback URL between BeMob and your affiliate network enables delivering conversions back to the associated campaign. If you want to pass the conversion data to BeMob, you need to start with setting up your offer URL. For a postback request to be resolved correctly, a valid BeMob click ID must first be sent in the offer URL query string to be captured by your affiliate network. To send a BeMob click ID, you need to append the click ID macro to a parameter supported by the affiliate network. Each affiliate network has its own parameter for click ID capturing. Remember to always use the affiliate network parameter and BeMob click ID token to track your conversions. Once you have your offer URL ready, then the click ID data needs to be passed back to record the conversion in BeMob. That's why the second step is to configure your postback URL. It can be found in the Tracking URLs tab in the settings of your account. Or alternatively, you can access it directly from the offer or affiliate network settings. Within the postback URL query string, there are 4 distinct parameters: CID, payout, transaction ID, and status. The CID parameter is dedicated to passing back BeMob's click ID, and it is required to record a conversion. The token used for the CID in the postback URL normally has to correspond to the parameter used in the offer URL. Remember to check the affiliate network documentation to use the correct parameters and tokens for tracking. The same applies for other parameters. So if you want to dynamically pass the payout to BeMob, you need to map it according to your affiliate network documentation. The TXID parameter is used to pass the unique transaction ID for each conversion and required if you want to track upsells. You can use the token if your network supports that, or you can specify the transaction ID by typing a static value. You can also track all of the stages of conversion using the parameter status. If your affiliate network supports that, just add the corresponding token to your postback URL to dynamically track the status data. Remember to mark the checkbox Use Conversion Statuses in affiliate network settings and introduce the values. If your affiliate network doesn't have the token to track statuses, you can still use them by manually typing the required statuses right in your postback URL. Instead of statuses, you can use our option of tracking custom conversions, which is the most advanced way to track upsells, downloads, and other types of events. For this, use CET parameter in the postback URL and set up the event type you wish to track in the settings.